AI in education, revolutionizing learning. In the ever-evolving landscape of education, artificial intelligence, AI, is poised to become a powerful catalyst for change. AI technologies are now being harnessed to personalize the learning experience, making it more engaging and effective for students. Imagine a classroom where every student learns at their own pace, receiving tailored content that matches their individual needs. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that AI can bring to life, transforming traditional educational paradigms. The integration of AI in education allows for adaptive learning systems that analyze student performance in real time. These systems identify areas where students struggle and curate personalized study plans that optimize their learning paths. For instance, a student having difficulty with math concepts may be automatically assigned additional resources, interactive exercises, or even virtual tutoring sessions focused solely on those challenging topics. This ensures that no student is left behind, and that each learner feels supported in their educational journey. Educators, too, stand to benefit immensely from AI tools. Through data analytics, teachers can gain insights into class performance, identifying trends and potential challenges that may arise. This data-driven approach empowers educators to make informed decisions about curriculum adjustments and instructional strategies. With AI handling administrative tasks such as grading and attendance tracking, teachers can focus more on the art of teaching, fostering connections with their students and promoting a dynamic learning environment. Moreover, AI can facilitate access to education in unprecedented ways. Students from remote or underserved areas can leverage AI-driven platforms to access quality educational resources. Virtual tutors powered by AI can break down geographical barriers, enabling students worldwide to receive guidance and support. This democratization of education fosters inclusivity, allowing every learner to have a fair shot at success, regardless of their background. In conclusion, the role of AI in education is not merely about enhancing learning experiences. It is about redefining what education can be. As we move forward, embracing AI technologies not only prepares students for the future job market, but also inspires a culture of lifelong learning. The potential to create personalized, accessible, and empowering educational environments makes AI an essential partner in shaping the future of education for generations to come.